Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today on my Countdown to Christmas series. We're on project number 20 today. Today I am showing you how to make these little whimsical snowman Andes Mint treat holders. Now I've made something similar to these before, just in more of a kind of, I guess, more grown-up version, I guess. You might remember in a previous video I did these ones that had the York peppermint patties in, and they said merry and bright on them, and then they were in glitter paper and some different patterns. And today I wanted to make them in with these really cute little snowmen fellows on the top of them. They came from the Mr. Freeze paper pad, and they're really cute and whimsical, and I thought they'd be great for you know, table favors, or just to give to, you know, something a little fun and festive to someone. And I put 2 Andes mints inside, and so that's a good little treat. And how I did them was with the strip of paper, and I'll link the tutorial also to my other one as well, so that you can get the measurements and so forth. But I will put one of these together for you here. And so it looks like this, and I used a die with this kind of little label that I cut out, and then I stamped on there Joy, and that was from the stamp set that I had here, and this one down here with the J, and then the snowflake for the O, and then the Y. So that was a cute little stamp. And then I just put it together. It's very simple, just a little 2 score lines and folding, and punch a hole and put the baker's twine through. And yeah, they're really cute. And these are the mints that I used. I'm sure you could use other ones, whatever you can find in your area, but these are the Andes cream mints. And so I will put one of these together for you. Bye for now.